In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Discord on Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by opening your web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, then go to discord.com/download. Once the page loads, click the Download for Windows button. This will begin downloading the installer file automatically. After the download finishes, click the Discord setup file either from the bottom of your browser or from your Downloads folder. If a Windows security prompt appears, simply click Yes or Run to allow the installation to proceed. In some cases, you may also see a system identity check where you can verify using your PIN, fingerprint, or face recognition. Once you allow it, the installer will run and you'll see a window saying Discord is updating. Just wait for this process to complete. After that, another update window may appear showing downloading updates. Let it finish and Discord will automatically install and launch on your computer. When the app opens, you can log in using your existing account by entering your email and password. If prompted, check your email to verify the login on your device. If you don't have an account yet, click the register option below the login button, fill in your email, display name, username, password, and date of birth, then continue. You may need to complete a quick CAPTCHA verification, and after that, check your email and click the verification link sent by Discord. Once you're logged in, you can pin Discord to your taskbar for quick access by right-clicking the icon and selecting Pin to Taskbar. Alternatively, you can also install Discord using the Microsoft Store. Click the Start button, search for Microsoft Store, and open it. In the search bar, type Discord and select the official app from the results. Click Install or Get, then wait for it to download and install automatically. And that's it. Discord is now installed on your Windows 11 system, and you're ready to start chatting, calling, and hanging out with your friends. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.